Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the whitebox testing with tutorials and examples. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the notification about the latest video. And now let's dive right into it. So what is whitebox testing? Whitebox testing is a software evaluating method to test the internal design, coding, and infrastructure of a software solution. It mainly focuses on improving usability and design, the flow of inputs and outputs through the application, and strengthening the security. Whitebox testing is also known as glass, open, clear, or transparent box testing. It is one of two approaches of software testing. Whitebox testing is based on what developers know about the code and allow testers to verify the inner working of a software system. Test cases are built up based on implementation. On the other hand, its counterpart, black box testing, involves test function without knowing anything about the code or no prior knowledge of its internal workings. The term whitebox is used because it is simply see-through, allow the tester to examine the code. So how is the software analyzed using whitebox testing? Whitebox testing involves the testing of code for the following: internal security bugs, duplicate or poorly structured paths in the coding processes, how specific input got handled, anticipated output, accuracy of conditional loops functionality, testing of function, statement, and object individually. Whitebox testing is about checking various predefined inputs against expected outputs, and if they don't match, it highlights the problem. How to execute the whitebox testing? Basically, there are two steps to perform whitebox testing. Step 1. Understand the source code. The tester will have to learn, be familiar, and understand the source code because whitebox testing involves the inner working of the software. The tester must be knowledgeable in the programming language that it uses in the software. And step 2. Create test cases and execute. So what are whitebox techniques? Among various ways to analyze the software, testers will often use a process called code coverage analysis, including the following techniques. Statement coverage. Every single statement is tested at least once during the testing process. Branch coverage. Every single path, if else, conditional loops is checked during the testing process. In addition to those techniques, code coverage analysis also include condition coverage, multiple condition coverage, basis, path testing, etc. However, there are many techniques that are known by testers. Statement coverage and branch coverage can check 80 to 90% of code coverage, which is adequate. What are whitebox testing diagram example? So this is one example of whitebox testing. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 are statements. C1, C2, C3 are conditional checks. So that is the end of today's tutorial about whitebox testing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share if you like it. Thank you so much.